Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Instagram flyers step by step. Start by defining your flyer purpose and target audience, then sketch a rough layout. Select one focal image and keep text minimal for quick scannability. Use contrast to make calls to action pop and choose fonts that pick a format and stick to it, like a square or story size that fits Instagram. Use a simple color palette of 2 to 3 colors and include your logo subtly. Make headlines bold and concise, and keep body text short and action-oriented. Add visual hierarchy with size and color contrast so viewers instantly know where to look. Craft a headline that explains the benefit in a few words and pair it with a concise subhead if needed. Use actionable verbs for your CTA and place it where eyes naturally land. Avoid cluttering with too much copy. Aim for clarity so viewers know the next step instantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.